try Outlaw.
Alright, let's do it. No, am I recording?
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait. Yeah.
Alright.
It says 16 seconds.
I'm definitely gonna need better tires.
Dude, yeah, upgrade the wheels in general.
Oh, that'd be good.
You need thicker wheels.
Oh, probably.
You're not gonna like Outlaw, it's ass.
We gotta try it at least. This is okay. Oh, I actually like this. Oh! Wait, this is fun. I don't think this guy wanted us to have fun. This is great. Wait, this is a really fun trail. Oh! Darren, you're a stinky liar.
Shut up!
No, you're a little liar.
Get ready for rock garden.
This isn't that bad. Who the hell calls this a rock garden? Oh, okay, definitely don't want to do that. Oh, a lake.
That's epic. Oh, we're gonna pass it.
Yeah, keep going.
This is the best trail ever.
Wait, look. Oh, no, we can't.
That's some good one.
Peter, go ahead.
Hey, I'm next.
Nope,
Don't do this to me, Kubo.
I will.
What are we talking about rocks?
I'm not doing this.
It's still not bad.
This is not even that remotely bad. This is beautiful.
There's a little, Nah, I can deal with this.
Not even that. You gotta have experience. Me and you have experience.
Yeah, look at this.
Me and you have experience.
Joe, we can go on this. Oh, no, we can't. Never mind.
I went down here. I went Blue Foria with my dad. It was terrible. It was too techy for me.
It's a rock garden.
This is one town.
Yo, I'm gonna do the rolling.
Tired.
I'm not ready for that.
What?
I'm not ready for that one.
No. Me neither.
Do it.
No.
Well, you do it. See?
Exactly.
Speed up!
Oh shit, these are all gap jumps.
Yeah, it's gap jumps. See?
Oh, hell nah.
Yeah, see, I'm not doing this. This is not bad. Pretty much nobody in this section.
Fuck you, Bob.
This way.
There's the drop.
Oh. Right.
Whatever, I'll avoid the drop.
Is it doable?
It's doable if we go
Just go
fast.
here. Oh, the wind's nice. The wind is so nice here. Wow. It's awesome. Hey, it's a nice trail. Oh, almost crashed there.
Sounds like the lake at Bakatispa and Bogan.
Yeah. All right, let's keep going.
Something's in my eye.
Darren, you're slow.
And he wanted to go second.
I almost screwed up on that one jump over there.
I almost did too, but I saved my eye.
I got it.
What?
There's something in my eye.
You're
Try it out. It's a little raw.
What? This one's a good trail, but it's hard. This
Darren.
one's tough for me.
Darren, you're like James May, you're slow.
Sorry, Kuba. I'm on your ass the whole time.
No, you weren't. We had to wait for you.
On the speed you're biking, you're doing a lot better.
Faster, bitch.
There's gotta be the longest trail I think.
Yeah, but it's fun. Oh, it's wet. Fuck. Yo.
Careful, Kuba.
Yeah, I saved my ass.
Whoa!
Kurva.
Actually, you could hit that one.
Wait. Oh, shit. Wait, wait, hold on, let me see.
Oh, this one's doable, bro.
Oh, yeah, let's do that. Yo, Darren, let's do this. All right.
Peter, I'll get you next, right?
Alright.
Oh my God! Whoa! Yeah, do it, do it! Send it!
Good enough speed?
All right, my turn.
All right, should I get you too? I'll get you on your phone.
Okay, thanks.
All right, Darren, go.
Perfect speed.
Bam.
Kuba, don't make me touch you.
Hey,
I'm gonna kiss your tire.
don't do that for fuck's sake.
Oh, speed up on the burn.
Not this one though. This one, yeah. Ah, Peter, come on.
I was in too high gear. This one over here.
All right, keep going. This place is magnificent. This place is magnificent. Oh, I remember this. I almost ate shit on this. Oh. Whoa! Oh, fuck! Yo!
That was dumb.
You see that? Oh.